Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends crashes. In order to fix random crashes in League of Legends, firstly all you need to do is head to the search panel. From here type League of Legends and click on Open File Location. And right click on the shortcut and click on Open File Location again. After you come to the Riot Clients folder, backtrack to Riot Games, head into League of Legends, then Game, and here you will find the exe file for League of Legends. You need to right click on it, go to Properties, Compatibility. From here you will select Run this program in compatibility mode. Windows 8 will be fine. Then disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator will also be ticked. Then go to change high DPI settings, select override high DPI scaling behavior, then click on OK. Then apply all of them, then select OK as well. So that is done, we'll just close it. Into the search panel, type Riot Client. Click on Open. So after Riot Client has opened, we will head into League of Legends. Click on the play button. After the client loads up, just head into a game, preferably a custom game of Practice Tool. Open it and let the game load up. After the game loads, we'll just need to change a few settings. So we'll press escape, go to the video tab. From here, we'll disable a screen shake and turn on hide eye candy. Then under the performance tab, we'll just select everything to the lowest. And shadows will be turned off. Also anti-aliasing and VSync will be also turned off. After that, click OK. After applying these settings, your crashes should fix completely and you can enjoy the game like before.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.